y'all, look at this banana bread, baby. I'm a sucker for some banana bread. You can still see the banana in that thing. Oh my gosh, y'all. Ooh, and then look at the outside coating with that brown sugar, baby. Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. Let me show y'all how I made this. Let's go over the ingredients. Y'all go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to your girl one time. Let's go over these ingredients. We have a lot to go over. Well, it seems like a lot. But first, I'm going to start off by saying, man, this mayo that we going to add, don't judge me. It's going to add that moisture. We got the vanilla extract. We got that unsalted butter. Make sure you get unsalted butter because we will be adding salt. Imperial sugar, that brown imperial sugar, dark brown sugar. Yes, gotta have that. Baking soda, just a little bit of that. It's gonna help it rise. We got the salt, like I told you before, we're gonna be adding a little bit of that. We got some walnuts that I have to crush during the video because they're pretty big in size. So we're gonna do that. Also, we have that gold medal all-purpose flour, the best flour in my opinion. Can't go wrong with that. And also, we got that white sugar. We have some organic eggs that I got on sale because y'all know eggs is high. We got our extra ripe bananas. Look, they falling apart. They ready to be used, y'all. Extra ripe is the best way to go. You don't want to use like those green semi-yellow bananas. So let's go ahead and get those peeled and dumped into a bowl. Yes, it's go time, y'all. The best banana bread you'll have in your life right now today. So let me just let y'all know I'm going to be doubling up on this recipe because I'm making 2 batches for family members. So yeah, I'm adding double the recipe. So if you see me add a whole bunch of ingredients, just go off of what I have in the description box below. So we're going to go ahead and mix these bananas down, baby. Yes. And my niece was so nice to let me use her little mixer because, you know, I'm old school. I use forks and spoons. But this made the process a lot easier, y'all. Using this tool, KitchenAid. Man, I got to invest in one, y'all. Y'all subscribe to the channel so I can give me one, y'all. Come on, man. I need some more stuff, okay? So yeah, let's go in with these eggs. We're going to drop 6 eggs in there. And they're pretty small, so that's why I'm using 6. And like I said, it's going to be double the ingredients because we're making 2 batches of this banana bread. Possibly 3. So yeah, go in with those eggs. We're going to mix everything around like so. Yes, it's going down, y'all. This is super easy to make. You can make this on any day of the week and it's going to be popping, baby. So let's go in with that sugar. And I'm using 2 3/4 cups, which is a 1.5 cups. Let me get my math together, y'all. I want y'all coming for me. So it's like a 1.5 cups of sugar, but the single one is like 3/4 cups. I really don't want to give you guys measurements on the video. I want you guys to go to the description box below and I will have everything listed as far as the measurements that I used in this video. Yeah, so you will not get confused because, you know, I know sometimes we can go by the video and not actually go by the description. So yeah. Let's go ahead and add that flour. So we got our flour added. And we're going to go in with another 1/2 cup of that. So like I told y'all before, this mayo is a must because you want it to be good and moist and like a creamy taste. I know it's weird, but trust me on this, y'all. You do not want to go without that mayo. I just don't recommend it. So go ahead and go in with that vanilla extract. It's a 1/4 teaspoon. And like I said, I doubled it up. So you see me dumping it twice. Yes, and this is like the best. Adam's Best is like one of the best brands of vanilla extract. So now we gonna take out some aggression on these goddamn walnuts. Yes, let's let out that frustration on these nuts, baby. So we're gonna go ahead and dump those in the mix. And look, y'all, I got it pretty good, man. Look, hey, y'all don't play with me. Hey, I'll leave you looking just like that. I'm kidding, y'all. I'm not violent whatsoever. I love everybody. I'm just joking. Okay, so yeah, make sure you get everything because everything is high. We ain't trying to waste a drop, a crumb, a speckle, or nothing, y'all. So yeah, now that we have that in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and stir everything around. All right. That looks good already, y'all. No doubt about it. This is finna be off the chain, y'all. Off the charts, okay? So in a separate little pan, I'm going to go in with a half a stick of butter. And that's the unsalted butter. Make sure you get unsalted. And we're going to go in with that Imperial. You know, you got to have the Imperial brown sugar, baby. That's the best brand right there. So, yeah, go in with, we're going to go in with a cup of that brown sugar. And then we're going to add it to that half a stick of butter, and that's gonna be for our outside glaze on that banana bread. Give it a little pop, and you know, kind of make it get a little crusty outer surface, and it's gonna be so good, y'all, when it all comes together. Okay, yes, trust your girl. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so y'all can be up to date on these recipes. And show your girl some love, okay? I need love. LL Cool J, I need love, baby. All right, so now we are done with the blending process. And we are going to add it to these loaf pans. And I picked these loaf pans up from the Dollar Tree just because I wanted to make, a couple of batches for family. And yeah, they're pretty good. I've had them before. I just end up throwing them away after so many uses. But yeah, y'all, and this is how it turned out. I left them things up in there for an hour on 350 degrees, and here you have it, baby. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is amazing, y'all. Ooh, wee, baby. Yeah.